Logically, it's also common to mix the if function with the and function. To demonstrate this, I've moved to a sheet called Second If in the file called Excel2. What I'd like to do here is create an if function in D3. I'd like to create an if function that says if the type is logs and the volume is greater than 1,000, if that and that is the case, then that's considered to be A-grade logs. But if the type is pulp and the volume is greater than 500, then that's considered to be A-grade pulp. But if the type is paper and the volume is greater than 1,000, that's considered A-grade paper. Anything else is considered B-grade. So in D3, I'm going to type equals I, which means I can then double-click if. I'm then going to press A, which triggers all the function beginning with A, and there's and. And I'm going to double-click and. Now I can put my first logical, and like the OR function, we can have up to 255 logicals, all separated by a comma. So if type, that's B3, equals logs, which is text, and C3 is greater than 1,000, close bracket. That's my and. My and is in brackets, and my and is saying if B3 equals logs and C3 equals 1,000. That's my test. If that's true, then I want to show A logs. If it's false, I want to do another if. If and if B3 equals double quote pulp and C3 is greater than 500, if that and that is true, finish the and, press comma, and say what you want to happen if that's true. If B3 is pulp and C3 is greater than 500, then I want to see A pulp. Otherwise, if and this equals paper and this is greater than 1,000, if that and that is true, then it is considered A paper. Otherwise, anything else is B grade. I can see 1, 2, 3 ifs, 1, 2, 3 close brackets, enter. Because that's logs and it's greater than 1,000, so that's an and, it's A grade logs. Because that's logs and not greater than 1,000 is B grade. And so that's an example of mixing the and with the or.